stop engine. Hey, hold on, hey. Why? Hold on, now go ahead. Brace yourself.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall.
Hey, wagwan, me there again, my people. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. So I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you that caught my attention. I talk about certain things. So, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person pushed someone who was wearing a type of clothes that looks like a type of uniform to me. That person pushed more than one person's number of subscribers. And the situation reached to a point where after the person pushed, the person was wearing a type of clothes that looks like a type of uniform. The person who was wearing a type of clothes that looks like a type of uniform pointed an object in the person's direction that was behaving aggressive. And then I realized the person who was behaving certain ways started to move a certain type of way, which made me assume what might have happened and what that object might have been. Now, because the device that was video recording what was going on was at a certain distance from where certain things were happening, there are certain things I was not able to see. So therefore, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm what type of uniform the person was wearing, even though I can assume. And the video do not have any audio. What I think that caught my attention about this video is the type of clothes that the person was wearing, who the person pushing up your subscribers. So I say, and if what I'm thinking is accurate, then he set away. But anyways, as well, some people might say, try pick sense out of nonsense. Take a look at this video. Let me know what to think about this type of situation with people. Oh, and I didn't get any confirmed information to determine how certain things might have happened and how the whole situation might have turned out. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. So here's the video right here, my people. Notice how the person behaves. Someone get close to the person and the person somewhat push that person. See? Watch out now. Watch it. Now, I have to zoom it in to see what I go and look at some people because he set away, you know. But why the person was behaving that way? That's the thing. That much I can understand why. Why the person did certain things. I'm not even sure what exactly might have caused that situation and how the situation started. Anyways, my people, I'm not sure how that whole situation might have ended. The video caught my attention, so I'm just present it here and talk about it. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. Another topic, my people. So I saw a video that shows some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went at a location, and I somewhat got the understanding that police showed interest in at least one person. So in the video that I saw, I hear a person saying certain words, and the video shows the police officers and so forth, your subscribers, and I'm not sure exactly how the situation might have turned out, but let me present the video to you that I saw so that you can have some form of understanding about the situation. See, I also got the understanding that at least one law enforcer grabbed at least one person's phone. I'm not sure how that turned out either. But anyways, take a look at this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. I also saw another video that shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica, and the video also shows a person whose two hands was behind the person's back. The people, I'm not sure what exactly the situation might have been about. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so those videos caught my attention. I'm just talking about them and so on. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person hit someone and then the person got inside of a motor vehicle and the motor vehicle had been driven away. I'm not sure what I should call a type of situation like that. I am not sure if I should call the situation a road rage or what, dear subscribers, but one thing for sure is that I do not agree with anyone hitting anyone. I don't like that. Yes, I'm asking my people. If someone did something that you don't like, or someone did something that is really bad or illegal, contact the police. Don't take law in your own hands. Don't put your hands on anyone. It's better to talk about the differences and so forth. See? Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded for your subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the person did anything like that or what might have caused anything like that. However, it doesn't matter. No one should not hit anyone. When you look and listen to this video, tell me what you think about a situation. What would you call a situation like this? Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe the people.
Hey, boy, oi, man, oi, man, oi. Where them, boy, where them, boy? What's the message to them, boy? What's the message to them, boy, oi? Brother, what's the message to them, brother? What's the message to them, boy? What's the message to them, boy? What's the message to them, boy? You want to tie your body?
That's real stupidness. Yeah, really, it is stupidness. You see what I say? I mean, come on, it's. You see how some people put themselves in trouble sometimes? But people, let me know anything about that situation there. Huh? That's one other topic there. So big up to all of my people who watch Dancehall skilla channel right throughout the world anywhere you're dead. So I saw a video posted on social media that shows a vessel in a body of water. And in my point of view, the vessel looked tilted while in the water, and of your subscribers. The video had been posted on social media with some words claiming that the vessel grounded at a location. I got the understanding that the video had been posted on social media with some words claiming an allegation about the vessel or about the situation. But I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if the allegation is true or false of your subscribers. So I'm saying to you, but in my point of view, the way all the vessel look, it don't look the way how I think a vessel like that should look while on or in a body of water. It didn't look like it's supposed to be, in my point of view, while on the water. But look at it, my people. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with my people. Observe.
Slow down.
Watch it. You see that? You see it? Look.
Slow down.
Look there.
Slow down. Stop engine. Stop engine.
Watch it.
Stop engine. Hey, hold on. Hey. Wait. Hold on. Let go ahead. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Brace.
Watch it.
That's on the ground, it don't go on the ground.
You done go already. See what I done said you off about already.
Huh?
Nah.
But people, this when it comes on to ships, vessels and then things that, hey, and they out upon that, the water there, eh? I don't know about nobody else, no, but I find it somewhat kind of scary in a way, for sitting so heavy. But I understand the science side, you know, but anyways, you know. Alright, so, just to be on the safe side still, you see me? Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to explain it like this. I got the understanding that an information was put out there on social media about an allegation about a vessel the allegation claim about some form of oil spill pertaining to the vessel. However, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if the allegation is true or false. But me see a video, and in the video me hear a person say some words pertaining to the allegation. Listen.
As you can see, there is no oil leakage or spillage from the vessel. It is safely being stuck on a beam. It is not harming anyone environmentally.
So I hope you hear some words said in the video. So my people, yeah, just to be on the safe side, but make sure I explain a certain type of way. Because me only go by post and some words when I see on social media and so forth. Is it? I think here's where I'm going to leave it, So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm me name Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.